Check this out. This cow eating the flower. And this is in the Mercure Hotel.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool.
Good morning, lovely people from around the world. How are you doing today? I hope so you're keeping well. Check this out, who is today with me.
Hi, good morning.
So it's very early morning in Sanur today, next to the Hyatt, not Hyatt, sorry, Mercure Resort, close to Sanur Beach.
Yeah.
This is the current place in this area where I have a morning coffee and editing my video in this week. I'm trying to change, like this month here, next week there, something like that. You know, why not? Oh, coconut tree. So first of all, I'm gonna edit the video, having a coffee. Winnie have a morning meeting, so she have to decide if she will have today working on the beach, right?
Yeah. I just decided I have a morning meetings. I just wanna have the beach vibe, you know, fresh air, not every day like under the air condition.
It's not healthy to be under the aircon. So it's always better to be on the beach. That's the main reason why I prefer to have a coffee on the beach somewhere. And we will show you guys a little bit around Sanur today and the morning. How is the vibes? How is everything? Meanwhile, time for coffee.
I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just.
So basically, as Winnie is working, that's why I'm a little bit far away from her to don't disturb her. She even asked the restaurant to switch off the music, so that's the powerful. And I will show you just quickly around. This is like you can sit in the bamboo construction, and on the beach over here is little bit a cloudy morning. However, coffee is like always. This is the where I edit the video every morning in this month. Still thinking where I gonna do it in next month. However, stay tuned.
It's you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
So I just finished working on my laptop. Now it's time for me to have a chill out a little bit and enjoy the vibe in Sanur. Morning vibe in Sanur, walking with the fresh air. I'll show you how it is in the morning in Sanur. It's so sad as it is weekend, supposed to be like many people, but so quiet. I'll show you how it is.
Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
We are walking into the Prama Hotel, Purisantrian Hotel area. We will show you guys around. Check this out, this cow, Angelique.
Yeah, the cow. That's the place, yoga place. It's called Karma Yoga. So They have a one sacred cow. She's called Anjali. Beautiful name though.
And beautiful cow. Oh my god, there's things like this only in Bali and in India, guys. Cool. Anyway, Prama Sanur Beach, Bali. Here we go. So nice. Today is the vlog, as I'm never gonna say as is quiet, okay? So it's so beautiful, right, Sai?
Yeah.
Don't
we
say
will not
quiet.
say we will not say quiet, but you will see how quiet it is.
Yeah, what should I say? Here we go. Check this out.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away.
It's already 10:30 at morning. Beautiful sunny and hot day in Bali, in Sanur. Saturday morning.
Yeah.
And is very peaceful.
Sanur is always.
But Sanur is always peaceful. That's right. Nothing new,
That's
right?
why we decided to live close by Sanur.
But still in Denpasar.
Then Pasar.
But it's close to Sanur, so Sanur is the first place where I can go to have a morning coffee on the beach.
For a sign to lead me straight, we walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day.
So, well, we see that in the bamboo bar and lunch in Prama Hotel, they have a many promotion like beer, 5 beers for 100k, and also they have a like special promotion for pizza. This is pizza Damian's favorite food. Maybe next time we will try to have dinner here, honey.
Maybe we will come one day, yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
And I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. I built a fire.
That's the Prama Sanur Beach Hotel. It seems like it's empty. I'm not sure if it's open or it's closed. However, the pool pass option, which you pay entry to the bar and have access to the pool, is available. And it's how it is. Check this out. And this is beach.
Inside the walls of your heart, a warm desire, heading for a new start. There ain't no excuses to keep from falling in love, and I can never get enough.
The way is so hot now. We will go to small Warung in Sanur, not so far away from here, buy some early lunch. And
Yeah.
then we will show you a few shots from the Sanur in the main roads, how it's there, around late morning time.
Yeah, so we will have lunch actually, but we will go to the small warung and that serves Indonesian food.
You guys, if you ever been in Sanur or live in Sanur, you can for sure know this place. It's small Warung.
Yeah.
So you will see.
I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. When I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize.
Behind me is the Rip Cool Surf School. Good place to learn how to surf with the official trainers. Almost kid hit me. Also good place if you wanna learn how to kite surfing. That was the sprayer. Oh my god, lucky Winnie pushed me. What I was saying about this is a good place to learn how to kite surfing. Maybe in the future one day, but first I have to learn how to swim. Right, Sayan? Properly swim.
Alright, so now we are in Warung Kecil in Sanur. Maybe for those who used to live in Sanur or who have been to Sanur, you must know this warung. Small warung, sell Indonesian food. Very affordable price, very cheap price. And look at those food. So yum, so. Okay, so today I will choose nasi kuning for my lunch. For those who miss Indonesian food, here it is.
Just yellow rice. Basically, you're coming here. There's a lot of dishes over here, and you're asking whatever you want. Just put on the plate and eat and enjoy. And a good price, good quality, and very nice. Big stomach. A nice painting of the world over here. It's still very quiet, as you can see. Oh, cozy. Sorry, no quiet, cozy.
Alright, so this one portion of rice. This one is terong, eggplant, and then yellow rice, and chicken curry, and then tuna, and sambal. For me, no sambal, no eating. So this cost me around 35k. So cheap.
How's your food, honey?
So yum. This tuna, so yum. On chicken curry, I have eggplant. This tuna is with the sambal mata, I think. Oh, with kemangi and sambal mata. Nice. So yeah, very cheap. This cost me around 30k, yeah, I think. 35k.
Smash tango, honey.
Oh, dziękuję ya. Selamat makan. So you will have a coffee again. So Damian will have the second coffee, and then he will have cake.
Blueberry cheesecake. Very nice.
Smacznego, honey.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner. puts another to the ground. Disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Are there right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Alright guys, after morning coffee, lunch and another coffee we showed you a little bit about how it's life in Sanur. Now it's around 12 o'clock and as you can see it's very cozy like usual anyway. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Winnie is with me, so
Yeah. Alright, so I think that's all our video today. This is in Sanur. Yeah, beautiful. Always beautiful.
Always beautiful. We are in Sanur actually every day, or at least I'm in Sanur every day. But like I said already, I don't know, I didn't show you much, so here we go. And I think that will be enough for today's vlog, because we have to do something today and will be no opportunity to make anything interesting anymore.
Yeah.
So like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe. And
So if you want to know updates about Bali, so please subscribe and then follow and watch the videos
and feel
every
free
day.
to share, that really helps us. And like always, new vlog every day at 7 p.m. Bali time, so something new tomorrow. Take care guys and see you tomorrow.
Bye!
Right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning